Hey everyone, so today I'm going to guide you through how to manage disputes on InfinitePay.io. So disputes can happen and it's important to handle them efficiently and effectively. InfinitePay.io provides tools to help you resolve issues quickly. So let's get started. First of all, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the disputes or support section. This is where you can view and manage any disputes related to your transactions. Select a dispute to view detailed information. This will include the transaction in question, the reason for the dispute, and any communication from the other party. To respond to a dispute, select on the respond or reply button. You have to provide a clear and detailed explanation along with any supporting documentation or evidence to resolve the issue. Use the communication tools within InfinitePay.io to discuss the dispute with the other party. Maintain a professional tone and aim to reach a mutually agreeable solution. If required, upload evidence such as receipts, emails, or other documents that support your case. Make sure your evidence is clear and relevant to the dispute. After submitting your response and evidence, monitor the status of the dispute. InfinitePay.io will review the information provided and work towards resolving the issue. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to manage disputes on InfinitePay.io. By following these steps, you can handle disputes effectively and ensure a fair resolution. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.